side of the bulls.
He did say, Jim, we will not hesitate to act if inflation rises above levels consistent with our goal.
Well, good luck.
I guess he's got that in his back pocket.
Right, but I think he's also willing to let it run.
And there will be no tightening until inflation does go up, and then you'll have a bear market in bonds. So actually, I think the big asset class is the risk area, and particularly equities, which is being reflected in the marketplace today, is the Fed wants this economy to run hot.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher, and guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works, because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and NWO book. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who have shopped at the store, you've been blowing the store up, much love. Now, of course, guys, we're going to get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. We have CME, and then, of course, we have the banking casino, opens. We have, of course, the stock market closed. The investors coming on the weekend. So what are we going to do? We're going to watch the volume. Volume right now is completely down. Now, we saw that, of course, Xrp went up. Of course, the market went up. The actual stable coins went down. So, guys, this is basically just a blueprint. Make sure you are staying focused on the actual indicators. But we do have CME, and they have until the 4th to make the moves. So, look at the volume. And just like I stated, XRP stable coins will let us know which direction we're going, either up or down. Now we know that we are going to take a leg down just because of CME. We know a lot of those futures are going to cash out, but of course a lot of people will roll over their contracts. But the fact is that we know we're going to take a leg down. Now to that 96 where that gap is at, most likely not. As long as XRP stays in this position, it's going to let us know. As like I said, if it was going to be at 25, 26, 24 cents, then we know, okay, we would have dropped down to about 10.5. It hasn't. It went back up, and of course the market went up. But make sure we're keeping an eye on that. Now, guys, get into what the Fed said yesterday, which is very, very important for cryptos. The Fed said, hey, we're going to let it run hot. So, guys, that's great for crypto, guys. It's great for crypto. Bad for the economy, because what? What are they doing? They're allowing inflation. And what is inflation? Basically, just to make it simple, inflation is cost of living. Your cost of living is going to rise. We have all these people out of work. And, guys, what's funny is that remember Trump did the executive order to get money in people's hands. He's doing a cut, payroll, all this. And none of it happened, guys. None of it. And nobody holds them accountable. These politicians, these puppets, these actors and actresses, nobody holding them accountable. He went on direct TV twice and came to the people and said, I'm doing this executive order so this money getting people's hands right now. And nothing happened. Why? Because if you know, only Congress can do that. So guys, come on, let's wake up. But he took all that time, and just like I stated, nobody's holding them accountable. I don't care whether you're a Democrat, Republican, whatever that you believe in. Of course, if you listen to my channel, you know this is all a show. They are the stage, and we are the audience. There is no such thing as Democrat and Republican. They work together. There's nothing but the Hegelian dialectic. But if you're new to this channel and you do believe in things like that, why are you not holding them accountable? That makes no sense. He came on TV, executive order, get money in people's hands ASAP, and they're without money. So we understand that the corporations are getting paid because they're allowing the print and press to go on, and I'm going to talk about that later. Why are they allowing this to run hot, guys? Because we know this is election year. We know as far as with the masses, that's all they see is the stock market. As long as they're doing good, they're fine. They have no clue about finances. So the election year, they have to keep this running. Now, the fact is that based on the fourth quarter, we correct anyway. So this is going to give them nothing but an excuse to move this market down. So we have to make sure that we are getting prepared for that. Getting into crypto news, guys, we have Coinbase upgrade the stablecoin USDC, stablecoin 2.0. That's very, very important because we know what? It's not going anywhere. And what did Brian Brooks said? Hey, we worked on this with Circle. So don't forget about that, guys. World stablecoin. That's what he said out of his own mouth. Now we have SBI Holding launched CFD, which means contract for the difference with USD and yen, basically going against Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Guys, is that great for cryptos? No, it's not. It's nothing but open up a gambling casino. They aren't doing nothing but paying the difference, and they're betting with cash. Guys, come on. They're just using regular fiat. So that's not helping cryptos. That just opens up the gambling casino so they can make money. Now, of course, if you're into that, you're loving it. Because basically, if you're into, doing the FX, hey, that's more power to you. But the fact is, as far as with the crypto market, no, it doesn't. Remember, we don't have utility yet. Now, of course, we have the digital yuan to upend the global financial order. Now, we know the U.S. dollar is what? We're going to take a back step to the yuan. Of course, yuan is going to be a part of the Asian connection. If you're new to this channel, please check out the China's Belt and Road, because basically that just lets you know what this whole economy is going to. You see all of our money going over to China, and that's for a reason. We have Telos will tokenize $35 million in Croatian real estate. Just like I said, guys, they're just testing that. Eventually, that will happen for everybody. We have Kusama going crazy, mooning. Don't forget, guys, I told you about the Polkadot Telegram. Make sure you go into that, do your research. So therefore, you can get these early, guys. The DeFi market is early. Cryptos is early. Only thing you have to do is do your research, and you're going to luck up on money. This is plain and simple. We have Binance and Oasis launch intelligence sharing platform. So, guys, we know that all the crypto market, the reason why it's taking so long, because they want to make sure they have a lock on it. They want to know where every dollar is going to. Now we have Blue Zale. Basically is going to be offering a new solution for DeFi, can raise competition for Chainlink. But we know Ryan Fuger, part of Ripple, and also they have a few executives from Ripple over in Blue Zale. So definitely you want to check that out. We have trading platform, open launches options against the Curve token. Just like I said, guys, just open up this casino the same way the regular markets are. Options is there for you so you can short FX trading. Now we see with SBI. So they're just trying to move this old system over to the new system. That's it. Now getting over into world news, guys, we have Capital One cuts credit card limits. Now, guys, I want to make sure y'all understand something, because basically the Fed is doing a new playbook, guys. Now we know basically normally they can shrink the money supply, and of course that causes depressions. What they're doing is that they're printing money given to their friends, their buddies, these corporations, but shrinking the money supply for who? The middle class and poor. And basically, guys, you have to open your eyes to this. That's all they're doing. That's it. They're shrinking the money supply for the average American and poor, but increasing the money supply for the rich, the corporations. We have NIO proposes 75 more million shares. So guys, make sure you're watching out for that if you are an investor. We also have Xpeng, part of the SPAC deal that I went over yesterday. So make sure you keep an eye on that IPO. And we have Elon Musk coming out with the Neuralink today, doing the actual test run. Now, guys, I know if I said Delta, Alpha, Gamma, you're going to automatically associate it with sororities. But don't forget, guys, those are your brain waves. Don't forget about that. I need for you to make sure that you understand that. And that's just consciousness, guys. Now, basically, we have Microsoft doing a simulator flying into the actual lower hurricane. Don't forget, guys, that we have a process called seeding where they can make these hurricanes bigger, stronger, and also we have the technology to steer hurricanes. Also been over that in my NWO books. But we have Walmart looking at buying TikTok, and guys, the only reason why Walmart would look at buying TikTok is why? You right, data. That's it. Now we had Lord and Taylor's close their stores after 194 years. So guys, like I say, basically the end of the American Empire is definitely over. Basically, you see the paradigm shift worldwide, globally. This is not the United States. This is a global thing. Also, we have MGM lays off 18,000 furlough workers. And guys, we're starting to see thousands of people getting laid off. Not the hundreds that you ordinarily see. Thousands and thousands. Like I said, the poor and the middle class are going to be gone. It's going to be poor and wealthy. And what side do I want you to be on? That's right, the wealthy side, guys. But that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher NWO book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, the stocks, Cobalt, chip stocks, gaming, banking. Those sitting at home, don't forget about the at-home stocks, the C word, the biotech stocks, don't forget about that. And then also, because we have so many people at home sitting, waiting on that free money, what they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day.